Hi! In today's video, I am going to be trying the worst DIY I have ever watched. Now, those are not my words, that's why I'm doing this, because I don't personally like to form an opinion or judge something unless I've tried it for myself. So that's exactly what we're gonna be doing today. When I first saw this video in my feed, I was just like, thank you. Next. But then I started getting DMs on Instagram and tags on Instagram of you guys wanting me to try it. I guess from my last video, I did tell you guys to tag me in videos that you wanted me to try. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, this is my Instagram right here. Follow me on Instagram. So after thinking about it for a little while, I was like, you know what? YOLO, let's try it. So here we are. And if you don't know which video I'm talking about, I will be playing it somewhere on this screen so we can kind of watch it together and get up to speed. Let's watch the video. Oh no. Why did she cut it from up here? Which is what I don't understand. Like, why do you need such a long hairs for a blender brush? I don't blame you for getting rid of those erasers. They just smear your work and don't erase anything. It breaks my heart that the hair is being cut so small when she cut off so much of it in the beginning. I want to know what happened to the rest of the hair. I want to see an after of the girl after she cut her hair. Where's that? But maybe I just don't understand because I haven't tried this for myself. So we're gonna make judgments after we try this for ourselves, and I will be your guinea pig for you and let you guys know if you should cut off a chunk of your hair to create a makeup brush that you could probably get at Dollar Tree or even something called Elf Cosmetics, who creates brushes for like $1. But I guess the logic behind it is that your hair is technically free. Okay, now it's for the fun part. Let's try this and see if it works. So we're gonna take our pliers and we're gonna How did she take her eraser out so smoothly? Do I not have any muscles? No! Guys, look. It just broke it. How am I supposed to do this DIY now? Okay, let's try again. How did she get the eraser out so smooth? That is a hack that I would like to see. Okay, this was the best that I could do. I had to like really get in there, so it created some pretty sharp metal ridges, which we're just gonna ignore and hopefully doesn't stab us in the eye. You're also gonna need some super glue for this. I'm just using Gorilla super glue because I am hairy like a gorilla. And now it's time to cut off a chunk of our hair, which is not the part that I was looking forward to, but okay. You guys ready for this? What am I going through right now that I decided to cut off a chunk of my hair? I better get a thumbs up for this. What am I doing with my life? I should have just stayed off YouTube. This is the new me. I can hear our voices in my head asking me why I'm doing this. But hey, whatever, all in the name of science. Do we get it all in? No. This took such a long time to try, but I can't stop laughing at it because doesn't it look like the shrunken head guy from Beetlejuice? I kind of want to keep it as is and be like, just gonna cut it here for now. So this is approximately how much hair was wasted on that DIY. Just FYI. This is enough for a mustache. This is too long of a blending brush, so let's shorten the bristles a wee bit, shall we? I'm gonna make it the same length as one of my favorite brushes. I love Wayne Goss brushes, by the way, but this is not a brush video. Let's see if this compares to my Wayne Goss brushes. Homemade brush. Now it's time for the true test. We're gonna put some eyeshadow on our eyes. I just have a little bit of eyeliner on. I don't have any shadow on. That's why you can see all the veins on my eyelid. I am just gonna use the palette that I used earlier for my eyeliner, which is the KKW eyeshadow palette. So I'm not gonna prime my eyes because it didn't look like she applied a primer beforehand. She just did it like bare on her lid. I use the exact same steps that she used, and I am gonna go into this color right here because it matches my lipstick. She kind of used the side of her brush when she was picking up shadow, so I'm gonna pick it up from the side and let's just go ahead and apply. Get stabbed in the eye with my own hair that I use to make my own brush. I thought it would be more horrible. I am actually very pleasantly surprised at how this is blending out shadow. I wasn't expecting this. Let's give it another dip. Actually, it's actually blending out pretty good. Let's try the lower lash line. I don't like the fact that this is blending out decently. Tickles because there's like stray hairs on this thing. Can you see them? They didn't get tucked into the... I'm very ticklish. I can't do this. I'm looking at my monitor and I'm a little bit shook, but also I don't want to be shook because I don't want to make brushes out of my hair. So what did you guys think about the performance of our pencil blending brush? Let me know in the comment section below. It did work surprisingly well though, okay? I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna be a hater. It worked, but I'm not gonna be making more of these and selling them on Etsy. For anyone that's wondering. It was oddly fun to try because I was like, how is that even possible? Just logically speaking, when you look at the video, you don't think that a roughly chopped piece of your hair is gonna help blend your shadow because most of the blending brushes you probably have are tapered. Like, they're not all just one glob like this, and they're smoother, whereas this is just like... So that's about it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it and you learned something new on how to make a pencil blending brush. Blend your eyeshadow and do your homework at the same damn time. Also, to those of you who stayed until the very end of this video, I think you deserve to know that no, I didn't cut my own hair, and I'm pretty sure she didn't either. That is the beauty of extensions. That's about it for me. Please give this video a great big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and you want to see some more videos of me trying certain things that you see on Instagram and you want to test to see if they work. Leave me some comments down below and let me know what you would like to see on my channel. I think that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you and I will see you in my next one.